Hi, I'm Kay. Thank you so much for joining me for my wig review for Royce by Amore in the color Rose Gold. So stay tuned. Let's start with the color first. Rose Gold R. So what you have, it's a soft, warm blonde with a slight ashy overtone. You also have darker and golden blondes throughout, which you can see here, the lighter ones here and then the darker ones here. And you have a darker root which goes throughout as well. I really love this color. I think it's a really nice blonde. Let's look at the cap construction. So what you have is a temple to temple lace front, which is fairly deep. You have a single monotop, and then you have closed wefts, velvet ear tabs with metal stays, an extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters. So it's a really soft cap. There is not much stretch in it, but when you have it on, it really feels like it contours to your head. I think it's a really nice, comfortable cap, I would say. So I'm going to put Royce on and talk a little bit more about her. Luscious, very feminine style. Anyway, let's look at the lace front first. So temple to temple, quite nicely done. You can see the knots, but it's a darker root, so it is kind of what is to be expected. So it finishes here, and you have a little bit of a seam here that is quite obvious. So I guess you have to cover this up a little bit. But overall, I think this is quite a nice lace front. The parts that has the zigzag in it, but because it's a mono top, you can part it wherever you like. And then you have that appearance of scalp. What I like about this is that little fringe that sweeps across and then kind of goes into the layers of this piece here. It gives you a really nice silhouette, if you like. That's really nice. I show it from all sides so you get a real impression. So obviously my front, my left hand side, the back, my right hand side, and back to the front. So I think it has a little bit of a 70s vibe. Don't know why I feel that. I think it's just the cut itself. So it's kind of straight at the top, and this is kind of also where your volume is, because you have some layers cut in here, as you can see. Don't know if there's any permatease in it. I can't feel any like traditional permatease in it. So there might be some like within the cap or something, but I can't actually feel it as such. But you can get some volume up here because of the layers. So if you have some product, etc. to put in, you can do that. And then you have the waves at the bottom, which I think is actually quite a unique style as well. I think that's really nice. One bit to bear in mind is that there isn't a lot of hair. So that is, when I pulse to the front, this is the hair you get. So it seems a little bit more volume at the top and less at the bottom. Now, as I said, I think that's quite a unique style. I quite like that. And I think that's really pretty. Let's look at the tack. You can tack it. The ear tabs come on me here, so it's fairly good coverage. So when I tuck it, I just pull a few bits out of the wig rather than having my own hair showing. Just tuck that out and that looks cute. So it is tuckable still, which is really quite nice. So it's a longer style, so you can do styling wise a lot of things with it. Because of that lace front, you can twist it and pull the fringe back if you are so inclined, if you do like that. Or you can leave it, which I think is also very nice, and have a low ponytail and pull some of the bits out, and then it looks cute. And obviously side ponytail, if this one it's cute too. You can put it in a bun like so, which is cute too. Headbands work really well with that as well. So it is a versatile style. You can do some updos with it as well. The half up, half down works really well on this one as well. So yeah, I think it's a really nice versatile piece. It hasn't got a lot of hair, as I said, except, you know, the volume is at the top and then it kind of tapers down a little bit. But I really quite like it. I don't like, you know, big voluminous wigs anyway. So a low density one like this, but you have a little bit of volume at the top, is really nice. If you so wish, you can obviously smooth it all down and have a much sleeker look. So yeah, I think it's a luscious piece. It's a really nice piece. Look at the color again. Look how pretty it is. And I think because of the close wefts at the back, you don't actually really need to worry about the wefts showing. So if I just part them, so I don't really think you can see it, and especially because it has a darker root as well, I think you don't really need to worry about the wind. What I noticed is that the fibers aren't overly soft. They're very fine, but not overly soft, which I don't think it's a bad thing, because it just gives you a little bit of texture. You know, and you don't have to therefore have loads of hair, but you still get texture and a little bit of volume. Now, this is fairly straight out of the box. And look, I think it maybe has to do with the fibers not being ultra soft. There's hardly any shine to this. And for a blonde to have hardly, you know, any shine, I think it just looks like healthy hair. That's quite something. And I have a big, huge window from floor to ceiling on this side, so where you can see the light coming through, but it doesn't look artificial. It's very lightweight as well. It's an average cap. I took it out of the box. I didn't have to adjust it at all, and I'm a normally petite average, so that's something good to know. There's a little stretch in it, just something to be aware of. But look at these curls. I think it's adorable, really adorable piece, and it looks so natural with the root, etc. So yeah, check her out. I think she's worth you having a look at her. The wig I was wearing at the beginning is the Emmy wig by Amore in Melted Marshmallow, and I also did a review on her. And I will link all the details below in the comment box. So let me know what you think of Royce. If you have any question, etc., let me know. Nice to see you, and I hope I see you soon. Bye.